Hello everyone, let us consider solving this simple arithmetic problem. Actually, it appears very simple, but if care is not taken, you might get the solution to this problem wrong. Now, we are asked to divide 80 by 5 and multiply everything by 2. Now, if you approach it using BODMAS, let's try BODMAS first. Let's try BODMAS. Let's say we use BODMAS. And what is BODMAS? BODMAS is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Fine. Now, that means you bracket division first before you now take multiplication and you take addition. So that will be what? 80 divided by 5. You put it in brackets, then multiply the result by 2. So 80 divided by 5, that is what? What do you get? If you divide 80 by 5, that will be what? 16. All right. Then multiply the result by 2, you get 32. Fine. So we are going to get 32 if we use BODMAS. Now let's try PEMDAS. Let's try PEMDAS. PEMDAS is another acronym for solving these kind of problems. Let's try PEMDAS. Now, using PEMDAS. What is the meaning of PEMDAS? It's another acronym. P stands for parentheses, whichever one. E, exponential. M stands for what? Let me write it out. E, exponential. Fine. Then M, multiplication. Then D, division. Fine. A stands for what? Addition. And S stands for what? Subtraction. Beautiful. Now, if you look at this PEMDAS, that means parentheses come first. Parentheses, that's bracket. But unfortunately, there's no bracket in the question. Fine. Now, exponential follows. No exponential. Fine. Multiplication follows. Fine. That means we have to put multiplication in bracket first. Let's try. Oh, yeah. That means 80 divided by 5 times 2. Okay? That is what PEMDAS says there. If you apply it like that. So that be what? 80 divided by 10. And that gives us what? 8. And so that the answer here is different from what we obtained when we use BODMAS. Now, this PEMDAS has been wrongly used. That's the meaning. We didn't use PEMDAS the way it was what? It was made. It was postulated. Or it was formulated. Now, what PEMDAS wants is this. PEMDAS says that for you to apply PEMDAS, you must give priority to both division and multiplication. From the left, yes, you heard me right. You give what? Priority to both division and multiplication. What does that mean? Fine. That means instead of you starting with, or instead of you putting 5 and 2 in bracket, you put 80 and 5 in bracket or in parentheses. So this is very wrong. This is a wrong application of PEMDAS. It's a wrong application. So let's now look at the right application of PEMDAS. That application is wrong. Okay? So what PEMDAS says, because a lot of people have wrongly used PEMDAS, and that is why they get wrong answers. So what PEMDAS says is that you are going to give priority to division and multiplication, but you start from the left. So in that case, we are going to have 80 divided by 5. You put it in bracket, fine. Then multiply by what? 2. So if you divide 80 by 5, you get what? You get 16. Then multiply your result now by 2. So 16 times 2 will be 32. So this aligns with the result you obtain when you use BODMAS. So you cannot see the interplay between application of BODMAS and application of PEMDAS. So invariably, it means that both of them are equivalent. So whether you use BODMAS or you use PEMDAS, the results you will get if you use BODMAS or PEMDAS must be the same. But the moment you wrongly use PEMDAS, you are going to get a different result from what you get when you use a BODMAS. So in this case, the answer to this question is 32. If you enjoy watching this video and you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. God bless you. Bye.